Hello, and thank you for considering the Automotive Collision Repair program at Kirkwood Community College. My name is Brian Carlson, and I am an instructor for the Collision Repair program at Kirkwood on main campus. The Career Academy program will prepare you for the collision program that Kirkwood offers. The Collision Academy will cover the first portion of the program, which includes 4 courses for a total of 12 credit hours, and includes classes such as Intro to Metalworking and Refinishing 1 and 2, Industrial Math 1, and Basic Automotive Electricity. Through these courses, you will become familiar with OSHA regulations, color theory, vehicle structures, spray applications, basic industrial math skills, and metalworking principles. In addition, the course will also cover the I-CAR, WKR01, STS01, REF01, and REF02 training modules. Because this program is designed to prepare students for the workplace, much of the practices will be similar to that of an actual shop. This means that you'll be required to be in class on time, such as a job would require, and you must also dress in the appropriate attire. Blue jeans with no holes and work boots would be best suited. No open-toed shoes will be allowed. Other protective equipment such as safety glasses and hearing protection will be needed during certain shop activities. If you have a passion for cars, the sky's the limit when it comes to opportunity in the automotive industry. Currently, there is a shortage of qualified techs, so career opportunities are everywhere if you are willing to acquire the training and experience needed to fill those positions. Start here and set yourself up for success. Currently, the average salary for an automotive collision repair technician in Iowa is $45,000. However, without training or experience, that number will be around $25,000 a year. Income in this trade can vary drastically depending on your level of skill. Many top-level technicians in eastern Iowa earn over $100,000 a year. Some examples of jobs available in the collision trade would be a painter, a frame and body tech, a paint prep technician, a collision estimator, a parts supplier, mobile repair service, shop owner, shop manager, sales rep, insurance adjuster, paintless dent repair specialist, crash test analyst, new vehicle developer, and computer diagnostics technician. With the increased development of new vehicle technology such as autonomous driving, the demand for qualified techs will continue to increase. In Kirkwood's diploma program, you will receive I-CAR industry training and will have the opportunity to receive certifications for I-CAR welding and I-CAR Pro Level 1 in non-structural and refinish applications. You will be exposed to all types of repair in the collision industry to some degree while in this program. Examples of these repairs would be frame straightening, painting, aluminum repair, paintless dent repair, restoration, and custom work.